Lib's bodyguards are all over the place. 2 minutes left. Lib's only got a few seconds left. Since there's no good shot from outside, the assassin has got to be in his hall somewhere. If Lib stays here surrounded by constituents and bodyguards, how can anyone get close enough to commit the act? Even if this assassin has found a way and he succeeds, I don't see how he could make it out of this room. It's useless. I gotta figure out how to get Lib out of here with what little time I have left. My energy is drained from using my vision eye earlier, so there's no way I could handle Lib's security. Not to mention that my sleeping gas is all used up. Do I even have a shot under these conditions? Or is Lib Tyrant already a dead man walking? I can't afford this weak thinking. If I don't deliver on this job, I won't have enough for my car payment, I won't have any money for food, but most importantly, I won't be able to afford my smokes. No.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for your new governor one more time!
It's him! Move it! Coming through! I can't let this guy win! I'm dead in the water if he pulls this off! I've got to get to Lib before he does! Chivalrous net!
I always said I was to catch, but this is ridiculous.
Great.
I've come to deliver some bad luck.
What is going on?